Good morning students, welcome to PV English Academy. Last class we learnt how many kinds of nouns are there. So there are 5 kinds of nouns. What are they? Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. Okay. Today we learn what is a proper noun, what is a common noun. Yes. Once look at both side. First, proper noun, common noun. Yes, but here there is noun. Noun. We know what is noun means name. Then what is common, proper? Yeah, look at both side. Common noun. Yes. Next one. Proper noun. Yes, here say noun. We know what is noun means name. We know here also noun means what is name. We know. Then what is proper meaning? What is common? Common means general, ordinary, normal. Proper means particular or a special name or specific name. Yes, we know special means, you know, special Sunday special chicken biryani, mutton biryani. Yes, special daily rice. Yeah. General, common means general or ordinary. Okay. Proper means particular. See here, common means what is general, name. This one special name. Yes, proper noun means special noun, or we can say particular name. Proper noun means. Common noun means general name. So what is a general name? What is a proper, or we can say particular name or special name? We learn through examples. See first one, see boy. I say that boy is a general name, that means common noun. Sir, why you said boy is a common noun or general name? See, in our classroom many boys are there. Yes, boys are playing on the ground. Boy is general. Yes, if I say Ishan is not playing, a particular boy, he is a boy, but what I am saying, Ishan is not playing. Ishan, what is Ishan? A particular name. Are you following? See the difference. Boy, both Ishan also boy is a both are nouns or names. But what is the difference? Boy is general, yes, ordinary, normal. But when we come to proper noun means special name, Ishan is a particular name. That is why Ishan is a proper noun. See, boys are in the classroom. Yes, Venu is playing on the ground. Venu, particular boy playing on the ground. But boys are in the classroom. Yes, Venu. Why we are saying Venu is a proper noun or particular noun? Because it is a specific name or special name. Boy is general name. But when you come to Ishan, Venu, Rama, yeah, Sinu, like that. What are they? Particular name or specific name. You also observe in a classroom student, that means boys are there, but they have particular name. Navish, Kartikeya, Suhana, yes or no? And Satvik, Ashish Reddy, particular name. Are you following? Next one, see second one. Girl, that is a common noun, same as usual. Girls are singing in the classroom. Common. Radha is not singing. Particular. Radha, proper noun. Yeah, girl has a specific name. What is specific name or particular name? Special name, Radha. Everybody is making noise. Madhavi is not making noise. Madhavi, particular name. Yes, particular name. Girls don't make noise. Lasya, look at both side. Lasya, particular girl name in our classroom. Yes or no? Girl is a common noun. Radha, Madhavi, Lasya, we are saying proper noun, that is particular name. Why we are saying? Because girl has a specific name, a special name or a particular name. We'll see one more example. Yes, third one, see. School. School is a common noun. But what is a particular noun? Everybody is going to school. Yes, common, general. But Sainik school, particular school. Rashtriya military school, particular school. Navodaya school, particular school. Yeah, that is why proper nouns. See here, Sainik, particular school. Navodaya, particular school. Yeah, it has a particular name, Navodaya school. RMS, Rashtriya military school, particular. Delhi public school, particular school name. Hyderabad public school, particular name. Yes. Next one, see fourth one. Day. Day is a common. Day means what is special day? Now only I told Sunday. Yeah, Sunday, special day, chicken day, mutton day, fish day. Yes, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What are they? Particular day. Sunday is a particular day. Monday, particular day. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. They have a specific name, special name, particular name. That is why we are saying it is a proper noun. Yes, next one we'll see one more example. Month. Yes, month is a common. January, particular. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Each month has a name, special name. Look at both side. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. What are they? Particular months, specific months, special. So they are proper nouns. Next, very, very, very easy and we enjoy a lot. Festival. Yes, common. Diwali, we like a lot. Festival, specific festival. Our favorite festival is Diwali. Yes, very good. Next one, Pongal. Specific, particular festival. Holi, colors. We like it. Yes or no? Dasara, particular festival, we like it. Ramjan, Christmas. Yeah, Bakrid, Raksha Bandhan. A specific, particular festival. Are you following them? See here. Boy, girl, school, day, month, festival. They are common nouns, means general. But when we come to here, Ishan, Venu, particular boys, particular girl's name. School, particular school. Sainik, Navodaya. Sundays, a particular special day. Monday, Tuesday. Month, January, February, March. festival, Diwali, Pongal, Holi, what are they? Proper nouns. They are general nouns or common nouns. Are you following, students? Very easy. Just keep only one thing in mind. What is that one? General. Both are names. Common noun or proper noun, both are names. The only difference, common means it is saying general name. Here, particular name or specific name or special name. I think you understood it very clearly. Okay? In the next class, we will do practice exercise. Then we will get some more clarity. Are you clear here? Yes? Once again, watch it. Okay? Write down this one. You get some more meaning and you some more get clarity. We will meet in the next video with the practice exercise. Bye, students. Thanks for watching it. Bye.